Welcome to my channel. So the first thing to do is to take your head measurements. This is how to take the head circumference. Then divide it by 6.28. After dividing it, whatever you get, you add the length of the lower part of your hat, what you want. Mine, after dividing, I got 3.5 and I added 4 inches, making it 7.5. So that's what I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut it like a full circle. I have a video already on how to cut a full circle. In case you missed it, check through my videos, my channel, you'll see it. Then I'll be marking for the upper part. That's my 3.5. And after marking that and connecting the dots, I marked 3 inches. I reduced it to 3 inches because I sensed it will be too much with that 4 inches. That's why I reduced it to 3 inches. So you work with what you like. So this is the lower part and the other one is the upper part. So you're going to work in for 3 parts. I've cut out the lining and the material, the fabric I need for the upper and the lower. I cut out the fabric and the lining. So also I cut for the lower part the fabric and the lining like you see me do. So the measurement I use is the length of the upper part 10.5 and the lower part 11.5. So I'm going to join with half an inch. Upper part 10.5, lower part 11.5, and a length of 6 inches. I'm going to join with half an inch, joining the fabric first with half an inch, and I'm going to now join the upper part. That is the place I measured 10.5. So I'm just going to face it, right sides facing each other. Pin it down if you have pin. I don't have pin, that's why I'm joining it like that. Pin it down so it will be accurate. Then you stitch in with half an inch all the way. Then after I was done doing that, I joined the lower parts also, right sides facing each other. Then you pin it down if you have your pin it down so that you'll be accurate. Then sew with half an inch all the way down. That's you joining the lower part to the middle part with half an inch. You can as well mark the half an inch so that you won't make mistakes when sewing. So if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Then after I was done doing that, thought I notched those joinings. I notched the joinings and I repeated the same thing to my other fabric, the black one. After I was done doing that, I matched them right sides facing each other and I joined with half an inch at the lower parts all the way down. Then when joining, you leave at least 2 inches or more so that you can turn it inside out when you are done with the joining. So that's the space I left and I'm turning it inside out to see what we have. After that, I went ahead to iron it. Now I'm top stitching it. This top stitching gives it a structure. It makes it stand out and strong. Your Playboy hat is ready. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, guys. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, guys. Share and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.